You are watching the Hip Hop, the Hip Hop Premier League.
What a proud moment. We are finally here. हमने सोचा था जब हम स्टार्ट करेंगे, we didn't know कि हमारे साथ कितने आर्टिस्ट जुड़ना चाहेंगे. Will it be a success? Will people like it? And after all these 6 episodes, we have reached the finale, the 7th episode, and we'll be having 5 of the most amazing artists जिन्होंने बहुत crazy perform किया है. Artists तो अच्छे हैं ही. They have displayed their knowledge. They are here with us in the finale. बहुत मजा आने वाला है. आज हमारे पास 3 slides है, by the way. So questions की कोई कमी नहीं होने वाली है. जिसको जितने भी छक्के मारने मार लो भाई. We'll see how it goes. Also, again, a slight warning. आज की पिच भी थोड़ी ऐसे damp pitch की तरीके से. There'll be a lot of spin, lot of swing. So yeah, it's going to be a fun little contest. Let's enjoy the quiz भाई. At the end of the day, हम elements of hip hop की बात करते हैं कि अरे b-boying, dancing, b-boying, DJing, rapping. लेकिन we don't talk about the same guy जिसने हमें 4 principles of hip hop भी दिए थे. That is love, peace, unity, and having fun. And this hip hop Premier League was all about those 4 principles of hip hop जो हमें बहुत ही early on में दे दिए गए थे, बट अभी ज्यादातर लोग फॉलो नहीं करते. With that being said, let's go and let's introduce the artists जो आज हमारे साथ जुड़ने वाले हैं. आज हमारे साथ 5 आर्टिस्ट जुड़ने वाले हैं. And today is not going to be a one versus one contest. It's going to be 5 going against each other. So basically the contest will be कि पहला जो भी बंदा जाएगा उसको 6 डिलीवरीज मिलेंगी. हाउ मच एवर ही स्कोर्स. उसके बाद दूसरा बंदा जाएगा एंड वील हैव अ लीडर बोर्ड. जिसका सबसे हाईएस्ट स्कोर होता है he will win. जिसका सेकंड हाईएस्ट होता है सेकंड, एंड जिसका थर्ड हाईएस्ट होता है वो ऑब्वियसली थर्ड ही होगा ना. थर्ड हाईएस्ट को हम फिफ्थ थोड़ी ना बोलेंगे. लेट्स गो नाउ. इंट्रोड्यूसिंग द आर्टिस्ट. द फर्स्ट आर्टिस्ट भाई, what a journey this guy has had, man. He performed really well quarterfinals में, still did not win. Performed really well semi-finals में, still did not win. But if he has won something in Hip Hop Premier League, it is audience's heart. Bhai, his fans just hijacked the last comment section, semi-final 2 ka. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome, representing KKG, Rob C.
What up?
रॉब की लाइफ की खुद की नरेशन. इस बीट का चालू करूं ऑपरेशन. शहर में मेरे माहौल है गरम, माइंड भी गरम, लड़कियां गरम.
रॉब भाई कैसा लग रहा है? You're back. Thanks to the fans. Luckily, I'm not the one hosting World Cup. वरना मैं इंडिया के न्यूजीलैंड के हार के बाद मैं इंडिया को वापस बुला लेता बिकॉज उनकी परफॉर्मेंस अच्छी थी and people wanted it. But you definitely deserved this chance because मैं आपको एक स्टैट बताना चाहता हूँ. You've not won the quarterfinals. You've not won the semi-finals. But आपकी performance, apart from your बैटिंग, जब आप दूसरों की जवाब सवाल में जवाब देते हैं, people just love that. People just love the way you deduce the answer. People just love the way जो आप knowledge display करते हो यहाँ पे आके. So all the best भाई. Looking forward.
Thank you so much, bro.
Let's see how this one goes. Yes. On that note, let's move on to the second contestant, another veteran of hip hop, superb artist, superb human, and he has again performed really well. By the way, he's coming to the finals by hitting a last ball 6 to defeat Sumayoki. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Sharul.
What up?
What up, bro?
How you guys doing? What's up, bro?
No rules in the DM, AM or PM. Yeah, we slide anywhere, carpe diem.
That was a very photo finish. That was a photo finish, Sharul. If you guys don't remember, अगर आप लोगों ने last semi-final 1 नहीं देखा था, he was at 12. He had to chase down 18 and hit a last ball 6 by guessing the answer. Yeah. Pound cake, जिसमें मैंने samples के नाम बोल रखे थे. How confident are you, Sharul? कैसा लग रहा है finals?
I know Rob knows his thing. So I'm just I love hip I love hip hop. That's it. It should just be that. That's it. We're all fans of hip hop. This should just be fun. That's it. You know.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Exactly. That's the whole purpose, guys. यहाँ पे जीतने पे आपको bragging rights और हमारी दुआओं के अलावा कुछ मिल नहीं रहा है. It's just fun and knowledge के बारे में बात करना, old school के बारे में बात करना. The conversations काफी कम हो गई थी, at least देसी hip hop में. The direction of conversation has changed a little bit because of this. That was the purpose, and let's stick to that. With that, let's move on to the third artist. Third artist is, I think I would like to call him the dark horse of the grand finale. A fantastic artist. I've spoken about him in one of my videos as well. What a great artist. What a nice guy. थोड़ा unfair हुआ था इनका quarter finals. He came back as a wild card entry and he killed his competition there. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Yashraj.
What's up? What's up? What's up? Hi.
What's up, bro?
है बड़े खा बड़ी सोच न बड़े बड़े बस ये है बढ़ने की वो खोज.
Yes.
That's for a grand.
Yashraj with his fancy green.
Yeah.
As always. Yashraj, how are you feeling, bhai?
I'm feeling like the dark horse, but I know I'm gonna lose, so I'm just here to have fun.
All right then. With that, let's move on to our fourth contestant. This guy is driving right now, and वो हमारे साथ थोड़ी देर में अपने घर पहुंच जाएंगे, तब हमारे साथ खेल के लिए जुड़ेंगे. But he's here, so we have to introduce him, and then we'll take the game forward with him. His album, इसकी album के बारे में हम कितनी बार में बात कर चुके हैं. Fantastic music producer. His album did really well. साथ ही साथ he had his share of contribution in Seedhe Maut's Na mixtape. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Bharg. Bharg bhai, safe to talk?
Yeah. I've just reached. I'm just setting up stuff. Just reached.
हाँ चलते चलते शाम ढल गई देखा जो तुझे तो फिर ये बात बन गई.
Hello.
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. आप घर पहुंच जाइए, and then we'll kickstart the game.
जी.
Till then, I'll introduce the better half of the Sab Jaiye product with a very fancy wall in his background. Please welcome Raval.
Oh yeah, what's up, man? We equal halves out here, man. What's up?
मगन हूँ मैं जी रहा हूँ अपने दूसरे जन्म में सिर्फ कला ही है धर्म जो कि लेती मुझे शरण में.
What up? What up?
क्या चल रहा?
Yes.
सब बढ़िया.
सब बढ़िया, सब बढ़िया भाई.
Rob C is back.
रावल भाई, कैसे कॉन्फिडेंस कितना है बताओ. आउट.
Let's go, man. Let's go. जीतने.
Rob C, actually, Rob C is back. Sharul is back.
Sharul is back, bro. Yashraj
all
is
these,
here.
all. Yes.
We got baby in the building.
Yes.
Yashraj. बहुत सही, बहुत सही.
What's up, baby?
And what's up, baby? And like, सही है, bro.
Let's
and like,
go.
People are getting what they want. Rob C is back. Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go.
What's it? What's
For
up,
sure. On that note, let's
ऑनलाइन टीचर लग रहा
let's
है.
start
ऑनलाइन
the quiz.
टीचर लग रहा है सेटअप करते हुए.
Online.
बढ़िया.
सही. मैं फटाफट से एक बार स्क्रीन शेयर कर देता हूं and then we'll start.
Yup.
Okay. आज का टॉस भी थोड़ा डिफरेंट है. जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, टुडे 1 versus 1 वाला कॉन्टेस्ट नहीं है. इट इज गोइंग टू बी 5 अगेंस्ट ईच अदर. सब एक दूसरे के साथ बैटल करेंगे, एंड जिसका भी सबसे ज्यादा रन्स होगा he'll be placed at number 1. जिसका सेकंड हाईएस्ट होगा he'll be placed at number 2. So there is no 1v1. अब सवाल ये उठता है कि हम सीक्वेंस कैसे डिसाइड करेंगे. इट्स वेरी सिंपल. मेरे पास यहाँ पे कुछ चिट्स हैं जिसपे मैंने लेटर्स लिखे हुए हैं ABCDE. ठीक है. यू गाइज हैव टू कॉल इट, एंड उस लेटर के पीछे एक नंबर लिखा हुआ होगा. जिसके पास भी जोन सा नंबर आया वो उस पोजीशन पे जाएगा. सो हियर आर द चिट्स. we'll start with Rob bhai. ABCDE.
C.
Which one?
C.
C. C पे है फोर्थ, तो रॉब भाई जाएंगे फोर्थ पे. ओके, नेक्स्ट विल गो विथ रावल भाई. A B. C तो नहीं है. D E. A. We'll see what A has.
Yashraj can go with D.
No, man.
A has 3. A has 3. तो रावल भाई 3 पे हैं, रॉब भाई 4 पे हैं. नेक्स्ट हम पूछते हैं यशराज से. यशराज भाई BDE.
B.
B for ball. B for ball या D for dog?
B for बढ़िया.
B for बढ़िया. B for बढ़िया has 5. तो यशराज सबसे लास्ट जाएंगे, रावल थर्ड, रॉब फोर्थ एंड यशराज 5. हमारे पास अब 2 बचे हुए हैं, एंड दोज आर E and D. शाहरुख, go for it. E or D?
E.
E has 2.
और रावल
मैंने वो D के
He
साथ
has
जो
to win
किया
it.
है,
So
nobody wants the D right now. Nobody, even if it's number 1.
Yeah.
Only that D. Okay. Let's go.
okay. So Bharg is going first. Next is Sharul. उसके बाद है रावल. उसके बाद है रॉबसी. And finally it's going to be यशराज chasing down the score. रूल समझा देता हूँ. थोड़ा सा चेंजेस है. सेमीफाइनल्स 1 जिन्होंने अटेंड किया वहां से थोड़ा सा चेंजेस है रूल्स में जो सेमीफाइनल 2 में किए थे. 6 बॉल्स मिलेंगे. दैट इज कांस्टेंट. द ओनली चेंज इज 3 विकेट पे आप ऑल आउट हो रहे हो. जो अगर आप पार्शियल आंसर देते हो, दिस इज स्पेशली फॉर शाहरुल एंड यशराज बिकॉज आपके बारे में थोड़ा रूल चेंज था. अगर आप पार्शियल आंसर देते हो आपको पार्शियल रन्स मिलेंगे बट यू विल आल्सो लूज अ विकेट. सो यू हैव टू आंसर it correctly for you to not lose a wicket.
Got it.
So for example अगर 6 runs का सवाल है आपने आधा आंसर किया, you will get 3 runs and also you will lose a wicket. चलो बर्ग भाई स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं.
Yeah.
On that note, let's start the first innings. Bharg batting first innings of Hip Hop
Yes, sir.
Premier League
Yes, sir.
Grand Finale. Bharg भाई बताइए कौन सा शॉट.
Bro, 4 रन आ जाओ.
4.
हाँ.
Let's go.
भाई तुम लोग को भर्ग दिख रहा है?
Bad Babi is a young female rapper.
अच्छा.
भर्ग
हाँ.
Sorry.
दिख रहा है, बिल्कुल दिख रहा है. अच्छा, Bad Babi is a young female rapper who shot to fame in
Yeah.
the year 2016. Although
Yeah.
this fame was not because of her music career. It was
Yeah.
because of a public threat that she gave to her mom that went viral. A year later,
Yeah.
she bagged a deal with Atlantic Records and kickstarted a rap career. How does
Cash Me
internet
Outside, how
identify
about
Bad Babi?
Cash Me
That's the
Outside,
right
how about
answer.
that?
Great start. Cash Me Outside, how about that? Dr. Phil के शो पे आके उसने अपनी मम्मी को धमकी दी थी and she
Yeah.
became viral and after which she got signed. 4 for no loss, great start. Bharg, next बताइए.
Bro, a 3.
3-pointer. Let's go. This will go down as one of the most influential
I got
West Coast.
हाँ ठीक है. Sorry, I couldn't see the screen.
वो intentionally वो ऊपर आ चुका है. This will go down as one of the most influential West Coast albums ever. Identify the album and the artist.
Isn't that Tupac? Who's that? I have no clue.
Your artist का guess Tupac है और album?
I don't know. Honestly.
You
No
don't know? Okay.
Yeah.
अच्छा पहले आर्टिस्ट से पूछ लेते. बाकी किसी के पास आंसर है?
Come
I
on.
think Rob
The
Rob
game.
भाई को पता है.
the
Rob
The
भाई.
game
documentary.
documentary.
Come
Yeah.
on.
Come
The
on.
game
man.
documentary is the right
Come
answer.
on.
4
Come on, man.
wicket.
Come
4
on,
for
bro,
1
come
is
on.
the
Old
Let me
heads.
put you on the game. Let me
Aggressive
put
हो
you
गए.
on the game.
Okay. So do I get like 2
Okay.
runs for that? No, 1.5.
नहीं.
भाई,
You-
गलत
you-
answer
You
दिया
answered Tupac ना.
How?
हाँ. Oh, sorry. हाँ ठीक
It's the
है. My
game,
bad.
it's the game.
That's the game. Sorry. My bad.
The answer was the game. कोई नहीं.
हाँ.
Let's go. 4 for 1. Third delivery. Bharg bhai.
Yeah. Okay. 4 runs. Let's go.
4 runs again. Okay.
Hmm.
Name the Eminem's first greatest hits album. This is not a regular greatest hits album that includes songs like The Way I Am, Lose Yourself, Sing for the Moment, Real Slim Shady, When I'm Gone, etc. It is the first greatest hits album जो Eminem ने निकाली.
When I'm gone, lose yourself, The Way I Am, Sing for the Moment. Is the Slim Shady LP?
Is that your
Or
final
is it-
answer?
Or is it the
Final answer.
Lose Yourself? It's like a greatest hits album. मतलब It's like a thing.
Yes, it's a
It's like
compilation
only-
of all
it's
his
a
greatest
compilation.
hits and.
Okay.
Yes.
India Eminem's was greatest hits album. No idea.
No idea. Any guesses? कोई guesses नहीं? Okay. Let's move to the artists. किसी के पास कोई answers?
Curtain
Curtain
call.
call.
Curtain call. But
Curtain
like
call.
curtain call में उस बाकी सारे गाने तो थे. Seems like a compilation album.
Yes.
Sir, Shahrukh.
Yes. Curtain calls is the right
Come on.
answer.
Curtain call is the right
Man.
answer. That was my first
Yes.
guess.
Man.
Fuck. उसमें Lose Yourself भी था क्या?
हाँ.
हाँ.
Lose Yourself. Curtain calls is
When
the
I'm
right
gone
answer.
main गाना था ना उसका.
When I'm gone से
हाँ.
मुझे curtain call लगा.
2006.
But Lose Yourself भी था.
हाँ.
Fuck.
3
Oh, ये नहीं पता था मुझे Lose Yourself था. Okay.
Are you sure उसमें Lose Yourself?
3 हाँ जी.
Okay.
Alright.
3 deliveries, 4 for 2. लास्ट विकेट है और आपके पास 3 डिलीवरीज बाकी है, बताओ.
Okay. Let's go with another 3 run. Let's go with a 3 run. Okay.
3. Name the song, the actual artist of the song, and who is the artist trying to act as. This is a very like, something that kickstarted something very controversial.
Looks like. And I think I know who that is, but I'm a little confused about it.
तो 3 चीजें हैं. एवरी आंसर मतलब आपको पहला तो आर्टिस्ट का नाम बताना है, ये जो दिख रहा है इमेज में, एंड गाने का नाम बताना है, एंड ये आर्टिस्ट किसकी तरह एक्ट करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं वो बताना है. 3 ईच आंसर कंटेन्स 1 mark.
Damn, Rohan, you went in today. This is-
Rohan, bro. Rohan snap.
Rohan's like, this is for every hate comment and date.
Hi.
Fuck all you all know nothing.
Yeah.
You're on fire, bro.
Trying to act as. खाली किसकी है ऐसे? No idea, bro.
कोई गेस अगर आपने इन तीनों में से एक भी चीज सही बता दी.
Eminem, Mariah Carey, Obsessed.
अरे आपने
Ooh.
क्यों बता
आपने
दिया? उनको गेस नहीं करना चाहिए.
मैंने आंसर नहीं दिया.
राहुल ने डायरेक्ट बता
Oh,
दिया.
I thought हो गया ये. Oh fuck, bro. ये तो मैंने major fuck
It's
up कर
okay,
दिया.
bro. I didn't
I'm
know.
disqualified, bro. I'm out of it.
I-
Bye, guys.
नहीं.
I only knew it. I only
I'ma
thought
show
it was
myself
Eminem.
out.
I only knew it was Eminem, but the rest I didn't know. I
Arre.
didn't know who else was that.
This is a classic
Okay.
case.
Okay. We
I didn't.
ठीक है.
अरे,
We'll
मुझे
take
लगा
Barb's
हो गया
word for that and give him.
I only
We'll
know
give him 1 mark for Eminem and take his wicket. So his final score is 5.
8.
So
Oh, 5. हाँ, sorry.
5.
हाँ, ठीक है.
Wait,
हाँ,
can
so
I
first
guess
4
what this
wicket.
Mariah Carey वाला है?
And then 1 wicket. 1.
The answer was the
Mariah Carey, Obsessed.
Obsessed.
Mariah Carey was the answer. Obsessed was the song. She was trying to imitate Eminem, conveying how Eminem is obsessed with Mariah Carey, after which the legendary Warning diss track dropped.
Yeah. Cool.
Chaliye, next is Shahrul. Shahrul, right now the score to beat is 5, but you also have to set a score for Raval, Robsy, and Yashraj. So
Got
let's
it.
go.
Let's go, Shahrul.
Let's go for 6.
Man,
6.
look at this demon time.
Sachin.
Connect the following non-exhaustive list. There are a lot of other songs that can be a part of this list, but you need to just need to tell me कि क्या connect है ऐसा इन सारे गानों में. Pound Cake,
Oh,
Drake, Wishing a Hero, Polo G, High Power, Kendrick Lamar, Are We Still Friends, Tyler the Creator, Juice WRLD, Speaks from the Heaven, It Ain't Hard to Tell, Nas, Suicidal Thoughts, Biggie, Thug Passion,
Oh my
Tupac.
god.
Connect the following. Holy shit.
So एक छोटा सा thread है that connects all these songs. You have to
Got it.
connect.
Okay.
Rohan, bro.
Yeah, this is a tough one, man. Okay, these are all like
Bye-bye.
from the ones I know, they're all album cuts. But I'm just trying to figure what
What do you mean by album cuts? I'm just trying to be clear.
like they weren't singles. They're kind of singles, meaning have like big videos and stuff. That they're all like kind of sidetracks, like fillers. No, I'm just speaking to myself. Give me time. Give me my time. Right?
Okay. Done. Take it.
Damn, how
said that or else Rahul इधर आंसर दे देगा. Question खत्म.
मेरे को तो समझ ही नहीं आ रहा इसका आंसर क्या है.
shit, this is tough. Okay, wait.
रोहन बोल रहा है शाहरुल होगा घर पे.
अरे नहीं.
मेरे क्वेश्चन टच करके
नहीं, ये एक्चुअली ये वो है, थोड़ा पजल टाइप का सवाल है.
भर मेरे को देखो पता है. I have a feeling you know your face.
वो खुदक गया था ब्रो क्वेश्चन देखते ही.
हाँ
मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा भाई.
हाँ
क्या शिट है ये.
I mean, does it have
नहीं कुछ अभी हिंट मत दो भर भाई.
नहीं ब्रो नहीं दे रहा.
सीधा आंसर ही बता देता हूँ मैं ब्रो.
I'm like trying to go through the lyrics of each song to see what the
Yeah, same here.
damn man. I mean, from the heaven, suicide, like this kind of this whole, and like there's like this connection of maybe something to do with God, or I don't know. I can't tell what the thing is.
I don't think Are We Still Friends by Tyler has anything to do with
I
that.
haven't heard that track. Damn, man, I'm gonna have to take,
suicidal thoughts.
Bhai,
also.
Rohan.
That has some.
when I die, fuck it, I wanna go to hell because I'm
Yeah, that has something
Yeah.
to do with God in a way. That's true. Yeah.
Yeah, and I mean, Pound Cake doesn't really have anything to do with
No. It's just like flexing.
Yeah,
and,
yeah.
like, just
and
champagne
is-
music.
High Power is more
Champagne
conscious.
hip-hop.
Damn, man, this is like, oh shit. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to take the. Yeah, I'll have to take the L. No, wait.
Okay.
Was it the last song on each of each respective project?
This
No.
is outstanding album outro songs.
Oh, come on!
What?
This
Come
is
on!
unbelievable.
Come on!
This is unbelievable.
You know why?
Yes sir.
I thought High Power was the first. My bad.
Yeah, no. Because
Bro.
Shah Rule.
Shahrukh,
Bro, एक मिनट शाहरुल म्यूट हो रखे हैं. शाहरुल म्यूट हो रखे हैं. शाहरुल म्यूट हो रखे हैं, एक सेकंड. शाहरुल भाई.
Can you go back to the question?
Ah,
Can you go back to
bro.
the question? I just want to.
Fuck.
Damn, bro.
Fuck,
This
bro.
is
Bro,
Yeah, because
crazy. What a solve. What a solve.
good one.
I know
Good one.
Suicidal and Pound Cake were the last, and then I was like High Power wasn't
Yeah.
sure, but damn.
High
Even
power,
suicidal thoughts,
exactly,
bro. Suicidal
exactly.
thoughts,
Whew.
yeah.
Oh shit. Okay.
Bro, what an answer.
Bro.
6 for no loss. What a start. What a start.
Right when
Chalo,
Shahrukh
Shahrukh
said,
bhai,
I'll
next.
take the L.
Let go.
Got the answer.
Insane.
Shahrukh bhai, next.
Let's go for another 6. Like I'm gonna try and stay lucky.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Following
guys.
is one of the craziest. Following is one of the craziest rap beef anecdote of them all. One of the craziest. In one of the interviews, a member of rap duo X said this about a legendary rapper Y. Y wants to be a teacher, but a teacher of what? This didn't go down well with Y. So Y decided to attend X's show happening on the December of 1993 along with a few of his friends. Okay? As soon as the performance start, Y hopped on the stage, जिसके बारे में बोला गया था, and physically threw X off stage. After which the venue was left empty as the crowd left the club behind Y. You have to tell me, rap duo का नाम क्या है? And who was this legendary rapper who went to their show, went onto the stage, and physically threw that guy out?
History, man. Proper history lesson.
You guys know this? I'm like, I'm not sure.
I think,
Wait.
bro.
So there's a member of rap duo. Okay.
Hmm.
So I think
But you have to tell me rap duo ka naam.
understood. I have a feeling it's Boogie Down Productions and Y is KRS. But I'm not like.
What is X? What is X?
MC Shan, right?
X
MC
is according to Boogie Down.
No. Yeah.
So
X
is that your final answer?
That's the duo and teacher, right? The whole teacher thing is KRS. Or I'm not. And this is 93, right? Criminal Minded was like 90, 92. Yeah, let's go with that. So duos, Boogie Down Productions, and Y is KRS.
You got Y right, but we'll
No,
see
no, wait,
X is wrong. So you'll get 3 and nay, it's over. It's
Okay,
over.
got it.
You got Y right.
Got it.
It's 3
Okay, I got
and a
Y.
wicket, but you still get 3 runs. Rob bhai, koi answer, koi guess? Yashraj bhai, Bharat,
एक minute. He got
Black Star.
KRS-One right. And what is it? Why wants to be a teacher, but a teacher of what? Shah, what did you say?
So Y is KRS-One.
No, I got Y right, but X I didn't get. So,
He got
but
X.
X second.
But-
Y is right. KRS-One.
Is
but
it Big Daddy
the
Kane?
duo,
No, Big Daddy
no,
Kane
no,
is
no,
the
no.
wrong answer.
but like the duo is.
Uh,
I'm pretty sure the beef was with MC Shan. So like I'm just trying to think what the duo name was.
Rap duo.
No, it's
New York, 93.
Rap duo.
Mob Deep तो आया नहीं था तब. Who else? Rap duo. KRS-One through a member of a rap duo off stage. यार ये मैंने थोड़े दिन पहले देखा है
Eric B. Rakim.
no. Eric B. Rakim is also wrong answer. We'll go chat को एक बार मौका देते हैं. एक बार चैट से पूछ लो मॉड, और अगर चैट वो रैप डुओ का नाम बता दे फिर नाम नोट
PM Don.
किसी ने सीधे मौत लिखा है नीचे.
young stunners भी लिख दिया भाई किसी.
PM Don and KRS एक मेंबर को प्रिंस डी नाम
Boogie
के
Down Productions. But okay.
मरद.
Warara Dang.
Okay,
Warara
the
Dang.
score Sharul is 9 for 1. Yes, you still have 4 deliveries left. Great start.
Okay.
Let's go.
Let's go for 4.
4. Following audio contains a rap song by a very popular celebrity who's not a pro rapper. Hint, this celebrity brings a lot of nostalgia for almost every 90s kids. So I'll play this audio. आपको बताना है कि किसने रैप किया.
I was walking down the beach, looking for some action. Had my radio set on a rap station. Saw a girl in trouble, a sticky situation.
What?
Bro,
What was that?
I'll play that again.
It was low-key fun.
Yeah.
90s ka Pop Smoke, bro. That's what it sounded like.
I was walking down the beach, looking for some action. Had my radio set on a rap station. Saw a girl in trouble, a sticky situation.
That's a very tough one.
This celebrity brings a lot of nostalgia from us every 90s kid. Who raps? Who speaks like that? I'm
Who
trying to think.
talks like that? Yeah.
Yeah. Can you play it one more time? Sorry.
Yep.
I like Scooby-Doo, man.
I was walking down the beach, looking for some action. Had my radio set on a rap station. Saw a girl in trouble, a sticky situation.
Bars. Bars.
This is definitely a sticky situation. Damn, man. Dude, Rohan, this is easy, like 8 runs. What is this? This is a hard one. But wait. I don't know. This kind of sounds like Bill Cosby, but I'm not like.
Because sticky situation.
No, just because like that kind of voice, right? I guess. Let's. You know what? That sounds like Fat Albert, one of the shows he produced. Fine. I'll just guess. I don't really. Bill Cosby.
Bill Cosby is the wrong answer. We'll see if
Okay.
anyone else has
Was it-
any guesses.
Did it sound? Was it Hulk Hogan? It sounded like Hulk.
Bro, yes, that is
What?
Hulk
Oh my
Hogan. Beach
God.
Petrol.
Bro,
Yeah.
HaveMeTeer.com.
Damn, okay, that makes
Wow.
sense.
He
That
sounded
actually
like
makes
that.
sense.
I was watching an old Hulk Hogan video
Hey,
yesterday.
brother. You know, he goes, hey, brother.
Why were you watching a Hulk Hogan video?
I mean,
Wow.
YouTube nostalgia, man. Come on, WWE.
Yes.
Damn.
Hint में
Nice one,
nostalgia
nice
लिख रखा था, but nice guess, Yashaj.
Nice.
Shardul, the score is 9-2. You have 2 deliveries and
हाँ.
1 wicket left. बताइए.
2 deliveries left. You just told me I have 4. Before that, so I have 3,
No.
right?
You have three deliveries. 3 deliveries.
3 more, yeah. So give me another 4.
4. Identify the connect. This is a fairly simple one. I know joke. Eric B is on the cut. My melody. I know you. You got move the crowd.
No
As
joke,
the rhyme
I'd be on the
goes.
cut, my melody. As the rhyme goes. Oh shit, I know this, but like, oh man. Identify the connect, meaning like who this is.
Matlab, you have to
This-
tell
this
me. No,
this-
not the connect. These are songs. What connects
Yeah.
these songs? Not the artists.
Hmm.
Not the artists. The project.
Oh. Damn, what is the name of that album? Oh shit. Paid in Full? The name of the project? Paid in Full?
That is the right answer. Paid in Full album.
Yes, sir.
This is
It's the
Come
God
on.
Rock him.
Come on.
Okay.
Oh,
What are
insane.
13
bro.
runs?
Insane.
13 for 2.
What are you on, bro?
This is crazy. 2 deliveries left. 2 deliveries left.
Let's 6. Let's go.
Sharul, next
Let's
one.
do this. Let's go for 6. Come on.
6.
पानी मिलेगा पानी
Jehovah is a
पढ़िए
Hebrew word for God. One popular rap artist
Come
gets his
on!
nickname from
Bro,
the
bro,
stated
bro,
fact.
bro.
Wait. The full question is name the artist, the nickname, and also the bar that gave him this name. There's a specific bar जिसके बाद I obviously know ये पहले दो तो is easy. The bar is
Crazy. Nickname is Hova. The bar that gave him his name. There's so many references where he does it, where he goes.
yes. But the first one, जो सबसे पहला usage था, is what we are looking at.
With, dude, it's from, you know which, it's from, my name is Hove, H to the O. No, it's not that. But I know it's about the lane actually. It's not the, and the Jehovah, there's a, Jehovah. Damn, where did he say this? Damn, man. I know there's
you don't
something
get
about the
it-
lane.
If you don't, you've got the artist and the nickname right. If you don't
Okay.
get the bar right, you'll get 4. So you
Yeah,
end up.
got it. No, I know this. HOV. Lane. Man, I'm trying to think if it's the Jehovah line or the lane. There's one about a lane because in the US the lane which is like all the way to the right has the diamond sign, and that's what that's the name of the lane. Jehovah. Damn, man. Jehovah. What was that line? Jehovah's Witness. Nah, man, I can't even. Damn, I'm like a little bit confused right now, but I'll take the 4. Like,
You take the 4. Any
yeah.
guesses? Any guesses on the line?
Bro, वो तो My name is Ho. They call me S to the OV, something like that.
Esther Izzo नहीं वो तो गाना ही अलग था bro. I
नहीं,
feel like
वो
उसने
तो
बहुत
गाना
सारे
No,
Yes.
that's like that's
Okay, let's
Later.
give the chat one chance. We'll Shahrul's innings ends here with the score of
why
7.
why why I
Acha,
have two more.
you're still trying. Acha, chat open mat karo. You're still okay. You're still there. Okay.
Oh no oh I thought you said my inning ends.
Yes, if you don't answer this right, you lose.
Oh,
your third
I get
wicket.
oh shit like
You
that.
get 4 runs
Damn.
and then you lose. So
Damn.
you are
Okay.
ending your
Mhm.
innings at 17.
Okay,
And
fair enough.
3 wickets. Chat एक बार खोल देते हैं chat. That's fantastic target. See how it goes. Chat जब बताएंगे
मचाएंगे इतनी बार बुर्रा
चांदनी बार लेंगे bro.
Oh, Malwani.
Humayun Jesus like
Oh,
Oh
bro.
god.
Yeah.
Jesus.
Always
भाई
going to
क्या
rob Burra.
legendary लोग हैं chat में. Shout out to the chat man.
Yeah.
तभी chat बंद रहती है.
भाई परम
जरूर।
नहीं लग रहा किसी ने.
कोई सही आंसर मिला मॉड? नहीं मिला तो क्यों?
I doubt
नहीं मिला भैया
answers मिले ना वो
नहीं
कहीं
है।
नहीं मिलेंगे. वो simple.
चलो छोड़ दो. The answer is they call me Jehovah because the flow is religious. Find no more was the song. Okay, with that we move on to the third artist, Rawal Bhai. You have to chase down the score of 17. मतलब you have to score 18 to beat Shahrul. बताओ भाई, what are you going for? First delivery.
Let's go with 3.
3. Okay. What is the real name of Bohemia?
What? Fuck.
Oh god.
Kali Denali. Kali Denali, is it Kali Denali? I don't know, bro. Let's go. Next
बाकी
one.
मतलब
Bye.
next one. Okay, Rob Bhai, Yashraj.
Roger David.
Idea.
Roger David bro.
Roger David is the right answer.
कौन सी अंग्रेज
Roger
था?
that.
Yes.
Arey
Yes.
bhai.
0-1.
Let's go with
Next one.
let's go with
What are you going to do? Don't get it.
4.
Let's go with the 4. Dr. Dre was initially a part of this electro hip hop group X. Apparently, just as this group was rising to fame, Dr. Dre and other members felt that a fellow member of the group, Lonzo, wasn't contributing to the group so much, resulting in the segregation of the group. After which, Dr. Dre made another group with Eazy and called it NWA, जो हम सबको पता है. Basically, Dr. Dre NWA से पहले कौन से ग्रुप में थे? इलेक्ट्रो हिप हॉप ग्रुप.
वर्ग ने चालू कर दिया. Air production चालू कर दिया उसने.
Although Lonzo का कहना कुछ और है. According to Lonzo, he was paying Dr. Dre's rent, उसकी गाड़ी का EMIs वगैरह वगैरह. Dr. Dre और जो दूसरे मेंबर है NWA के जो इस ग्रुप में थे,
ग्रुप
उनका कहना कुछ अलग है.
नहीं मेरे को याद नहीं आ रहा. Fuck.
Any guesses?
Fuck this shit, bro. Fuck this shit. Let's go, man. Let's go. Third fucking question, bro. No,
Okay.
no guess.
राहुल यार.
भाई,
I
any
don't know
guess?
shit.
शाहरुल भाई mute हो
Yes,
रखा है.
yes. World class
I
wrecking
don't
crew.
know.
वर्ल्ड क्लास
shit.
रैकेट क्रू ब्रो.
I
Is it?
don't know.
World
Bro.
class wrecking crew is
Yes,
the right
World-class
answer.
wrecking crew.
Yes,
Same
sir.
boat, Rahul,
Yes,
same
sir.
boat.
Yes, sir.
And they used to have the
Bro.
craziest outfits. They used to have
Bro.
the mad outfits.
Like Rohan
DJ
Ella,
Ella, DJ Ella भी था.
old school, bro.
Yeah.
Like as
Way
much as I
old
like
school.
it,
80s, bro.
हाँ कुछ ज़्यादा ही old school.
ज़्यादा ही
है,
कुछ,
of course.
मतलब-
है ना? हाँ.
मेरे पिताजी
डॉक्टर ड्रे जब 4 साल का था उसकी कौन सी शर्ट का कलर था
This was a pretty popular group back in the day.
I know, I'm
Yeah.
sure.
Like,
उस टाइम बहुत पॉपुलर था.
Yeah.
And
डांस
sure.
हिट्स वांस हिट्स मिक्स करना.
87.
Bye.
Just didn't make the cut to my algorithm or something, bro. Anyway,
Rahul bhai, next.
let's go with a 6, bro.
With a 6. Okay.
Let's go.
X is essentially a Hindi word. पता नहीं कम क्यों लिखा हुआ है. Essentially a Hindi word, also used in Bangla and Urdu, that has been adopted by the bloody gangs of Chicago. They use it in their violent drill songs to signify the way they're going to kill their ops. ठीक है? Controversy also started when CJ used it in his popular song Whoopty without having been a gang member. तो एक हिंदी का वर्ड है जो अभी शिकागो के गैंग्स यूज करते हैं, and they use it to signify कि वो अपने ओपोनेंट को कैसे मारेंगे. तो in some sense they use it for that. A very popular Hindi word.
Is it that?
नहीं bro.
नहीं. अरे नहीं. कंडा.
Hindi word.
Dishum.
लग रहा है इंची टेप से नाप के ऐसा कुछ है मुझे.
भाई ये एक वर्ड नहीं है, बहुत सारे वर्ड्स हैं यशराज. Don't try. यार बताओ ये शब्द क्या हम बोलते हैं क्या वैसे, लाइक जनरली बोलते हैं?
हाँ बिल्कुल बोलते हैं. काफी कॉमन वर्ड है. But obviously the second line, they use it in their violent drill songs to signify the way they're going to kill their ops. Away in some sense they, yes. And CJ के वुप्टी गाने में भी इस वर्ड का जिक्र था.
अरे भाई मैं ड्रिल इतना सुना नहीं है ब्रो, वुप्टी शुप्टी नहीं पता मेरे को.
Smoking a Zaza, straight to the mata.
क्या होगा इसका ब्रो? खतरनाक. I don't know bro. That's so lame. What the fuck, bro? I think I'm gonna go out with a duck or something. Damn. I don't know, bro. Fuck this shit. I'm out. Fuck
Chalo.
this shit. There's no.
Okay. Shahrul bhai, any guesses?
कोई गिफ्ट तो मिल नहीं रहा bro. Fuck this shit.
I can't.
मेरे दिमाग में तो सनम भाई.
I'm trying to go whoopty lyrics, but it's all Zaza, Mata, whoopty. I don't know.
Okay. माथा is the right answer. मैं घबरा गया जब शाहरुल ने लिरिक्स बोले. मैं घबरा गया.
बोल दिया था bro. I was like bro गाना
माथा हम अच्छा.
तो
माथा तो ये होता है.
हाँ, I'll blow up your माथा.
But इसमें तो लिखा है the way that somebody is gonna kill somebody.
So
तो मतलब हिंदी में हम ये थोड़ी बोलते हैं कि भाई ओए इधर आइए तेरे को माथा देता हूँ or something. What the fuck does that mean?
कोई भी माथा देता हूँ.
या माथा देता क्यों बोलेंगे?
अरे नहीं. I'll blow up your माथा is the.
अच्छा, blow up your. Okay, blow up your forehead. Okay, let's blow up your forehead.
Oh Lord.
The innuendo is crazy right now. I'll blow up your fucking matha. The fuck. Chalo theek hai yaar. My blessings to all of y'all's.
Thank you uncle. Thank you so much.
Yes my fetus. Yes my fetus.
Okay, रॉब भाई के पास अब हमारे इनिंग्स पहुंच चुकी है. रॉब भाई, द स्कोर टू बीट इज 17. यू हैव टू स्कोर 18 टू बीट शाहरुल स्कोर. बहुत
लेट्स गो.
हेवी टारगेट.
Come on Rob.
बताइए.
4
रॉब भाई कौन सा?
रॉब भाई 6.
4 से शुरू करेंगे. Jay-Z and Beyonce are one of the most popping couple. Beyonce released an album X talking about Jay-Z's infidelity and affairs. 1 year later, Jay-Z released an album by apologizing.
Yay.
Okay, 444 was by Jay-Z.
Yes.
ठीक है.
Okay.
And Beyonce की थी.
अब Beyonce album बताना है जो 1 साल पहले निकला.
अरे भाई.
Queen something यार. नहीं उसको यार वो भी तो मिला है, ग्रैमी भी तो मिला है Beyonce को. जिसका वो गाना था Ape Shit था शायद. नहीं उससे पहले वाली एल्बम. Fuck, Jay-Z.
You got this.
You got this, Rob. Come on.
Jay-Z की है 444. Okay.
बिल्कुल सही.
उसमें वो he's apologizing and all that. I remember. और उससे पहले बियॉन्से की है ये यार. Some fuck. Is it?
Bro, it's
Is it the Queen album?
Final
No.
answer, Rob bhai, final answer.
Okay, I don't remember Beyonce. I'll just go with it's a vague. I don't even have a clue. Like it's not registered in my brain. Jay-Z released 444, and without taking too much time, it will be like, is it the Queen album by Beyonce?
That's the wrong answer. Yashraj, Bharg bhai.
Lemonade.
Hold on.
Lemon.
They don't love you like I
Lemonade.
love you.
444.
They don't love
that
you like I love you.
Step down. चलो भाई ये तो बहुत
Okay,
सही
2 for 1.
Okay.
2 for 1. Rob bhai, next.
6.
You need.
Yes, sir.
ये Rob bhai ने बोला क्या?
6. Yeah, 6.
Rob bhai 6.
Yes, sir.
6. Okay. These two artists were supposed to drop a combined album that the whole world is still waiting for. Okay, they have made.
Come on.
अरे रुको.
Come on.
रुको. यशराज इतनी जल्दी कैसे पढ़ लिया सवाल है? मैं तो एक
भाई,
सेंटेंस बोला.
ये-
ओके मेरे को पढ़ने दो.
ये-
ओके मेरे को
Sorry.
मेरे को पढ़ने दो.
Sorry, Rob bhai. sorry.
They have made multiple announcements about the project, but 8 years later, the project still remains unreleased. However, in 2015, both artists dropped a separate remix of each other's songs on a same day. ठीक है, शायद SoundCloud पे रिलीज किया था with the same name. एक दूसरे का remix same नाम के साथ same day पे रिलीज किया on the same platform SoundCloud. The name of the track was also taken from the day on which these remixes were released. Name both the artist and name the song. बहुत सारे hints है सवाल में.
वो कुत्ते hints है bro.
भाई यार अच्छा नहीं सब शांत हो जाओ प्लीज.
Yeah.
हाँ.
तेरे स्माइल से मिल जाता है हिंट. Absolutely adorable.
God, it was supposed to drop a combined album that the whole world still awaits. They've made multiple announcements about the projects. But 8 years later, the project still remains unreleased. That was in 2015.
ये हुई ना थोड़ी न्यू वाली बात
हाँ.
हुई. ये हुई ना जनरेशन वाली बात.
हाँ भाई 1999
Yes,
का डॉक्टर
इसको
ड्रे.
पता नहीं बाद हुआ.
Somebody from the south. Is it like this Lil Uzi Vert and one of them guys?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Rob Bhaiya's impression of new school is Lil Uzi Vert. ऐसा ही कुछ होगा.
Yes.
Which is
It's definitely
fair in
somebody
a
from
way.
the south. It's definitely somebody from the south. And they announced. Ek second. They have made multiple announcements about the projects. Okay. Who are these two artists that are not on my radar? Who have made multiple.
They're on your radar.
But
Thank you, Sharul. Thank you, man.
Yay.
They're on everyone's radar.
What do you say?
Nothing.
Why Shahrukh and
that-
Roxy are like exchanging notes and shit, bro.
Yeah, man.
Ow.
Okay, they have
साथ
made
में पेपर
multiple
प्रिपेयर
announcements.
करके आया भाई.
ये बहुत ये encyclopedias, bro.
They have made multiple announcements about the projects, but 8 years later, the project still remains unreleased.
अभी भी चूतिया
8
काट
years
रहे हैं
later
सिर्फ
is in-
बकचोदी काट के
8 years later is in 2021.
बकचोदी काट के बस हाँ भाई।
Yes.
हाँ ठीक है.
Yes.
तो मतलब 2013 में बंदों ने अनाउंस कर दिया. 8 साल तक वो प्रोजेक्ट नहीं आया, पर 2015 में उनकी यारी जाग गई. ठीक है. And they dropped a separate remix of each other's songs. और SoundCloud पे ना Jay-Z करेगा ना Kanye करेगा. They're SoundCloud rappers, so
Yeah.
हो भी सकते हैं.
Yeah, boys, that business talk, man. Yeah. कभी भी नहीं करेंगे.
2013 में बंदे एस हुड था उस टाइम. मीक मिल चल रहा था. ठीक है. लिल वेन वाज ऑन टॉप. Who else announced कि मैं ये करूंगा? The name of the track, Kendrick भी चल रहा था उस टाइम पे. Good Kid, Mad City had just dropped. J. Cole and Kendrick Lamar.
Yes, sir.
Motherfucker.
Those-
एक मिनट.
Wait.
Final answer.
Track का
Sorry.
Name the
track
song.
का नाम.
Name the
Actually, I'm sitting in a hotel room. I cannot cuss. There are other people also. It's J. Cole and Kendrick Lamar for
अच्छा
sure. Yeah, वही दो आर्टिस्ट हैं जो
Okay.
बक
Final
बक
answer?
करते आ रहे हैं.
Wait,
एक मिनट.
ट्रैक का नाम बाकी है भाई.
एक सेकंड. Bitch don't kill my vibe. नहीं, bitch don't kill my vibe. No. एक सेकंड. J. Cole ने Kendrick. एक सेकंड. Cole and Kendrick is for sure. I have to tell you now the
Okay.
name of the song. They picked one song.
Name of the song.
They picked
नहीं
one.
नहीं नहीं उन्होंने एक ही नाम दिया अपने दोनों रिमिक्सेस को, वो एक ही नाम दिया, and that name of the track was taken from the day on which these remixes were released. तो एक
The name of
दिन
the
पे
track.
उन्होंने रिलीज किया था.
The name of the track was also taken from the day on which these remixes were released.
Yeah.
So the remix has the same title.
Yes.
J. Cole and Kendrick for sure. मुझे याद आ गया.
क्या पता.
It's Lil Uzi Vert, bro.
और नहीं Lil Uzi Vert अभी जम्मा है यार. 98 में तो जम्मा है बाबू. 2013 में रैप भी कर रहा था. No. J. Cole and Kendrick.
Yes, sir.
Lil
Yes,
Pump
sir,
and
man.
Uzi Vert.
और Lil Pump 2001 है. तो 8वीं में था वो तो. एक मिनट.
बाबा सहगल and Honey Singh.
Don't try to distract me.
Everyone's waiting for
I'm
Baba
waiting for
Sehgal.
that. The world will be at show.
Baba.
माँ बाबा.
भाई साहब J. Cole and Kendrick ने SoundCloud पे गाना डाल दिया और गाने का नाम भी सेम डे उन्होंने मतलब गाने का नाम भी सेम था and it was a remix.
क्या लगता है भर डालेंगे क्या SoundCloud पे हम लोग इतने बड़े लोग? ऐसा लग रहा है तुझे?
क्या पता ब्रो, इतने बड़े लोग को.
भाई I'll go with J. Cole and Kendrick. I don't know the name of the song.
कोई गेस लेना चाहोगे? The name of the track was also taken from the day on which these remixes were released. इस पे कुछ गेस लेना चाहोगे?
बोलूं? Black Friday.
Black Friday.
Black Friday और Tale of Two Cities and All Right.
Tale of Two Cities, yeah. Tale of Two Cities पे Kendrick ने किया था. All Right पे.
Black Friday, J.
Whole
Cole.
industry.
आप
Kendrick Lamar, the people's champion, a man will for
Hey
that.
Rob, good one यार. Good still bro, good stuff.
you get four for this and you lose a wicket. The score is 6-2. रॉब भाई आपके पास एक विकेट है. डाइसी. अगली 4 डिलीवरीज में आपको 12 रन स्कोर करने हैं. 4 डिलीवरीज.
Bloody Shahrukh.
नहीं, एक सेकंड.
3
Let's go with
each.
Let's go with 3.
3 each, bro.
Okay. Let's go with the 3. Connect the following and give out a phrase. ठीक है? Now this is pure puzzle सवाल. So you have to connect all these following and you have to give out a phrase. Body parts, ठीक है? Cypress Hill, Bohemia, secret student society at Yale University, and a video game. There's a phrase common in Pancho clues में.
California.
That phrase is the answer.
Cypress Hill, California, Bohemia,
That's your final
California. एक मिनट.
You have to give me a phrase, not a word.
You got tough man.
I have to give you a phrase. Okay. West Coast.
Body
क्या
parts.
question?
Confused.
शाहरुख को पता
क्या
होगा.
question है यार ये? क्या question?
I
नहीं,
don't
क्या
know.
question
I
है
actually
भाई?
don't know.
क्या question
भाई
है?
शाहरुख को भी नहीं पता ब्रो. अब तो मतलब
ये तो फिर कुछ मतलब ये रोहन मतलब
Out of
अलग ही
syllabus है भाई फिर तो ये.
भाई ये तो आउट ऑफ सिलेबस है. सही.
ये तो टेक्स्ट बुक के पीछे वाले एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चन
भाई मेरे को ही ऐसे के क्वेश्चन मिलते हैं यार.
मैन कम ऑन यार.
I think.
Bro, come on, bro. मेरे साथ क्या हुआ है?
Exactly.
देखो एक सेकंड. बोहेमिया.
नहीं भाई वर्केबल है ट्रस्ट मी वर्केबल है. आप हिंट्स देखो. बॉडी पार्ट्स, साइप्रस हिल, बोहेमिया,
Oh, got it.
सीक्रेट स्टूडेंट सोसाइटी एट येल यूनिवर्सिटी. दिस इज नॉट वर्केबल. आई डोंट थिंक इसको आप एज अ क्लू यूज कर सकते.
Blow up that matha, bro.
इसको एज अ क्लू यूज कर सकते. पहले 3 इज फॉर श्योर. पहले 3 इज फॉर श्योर. A clue
Yeah,
that you
got it.
can like work out the answer with.
Secret
First
society
3
at Yale University. भाई येल का नाम देखते ही मतलब डिप्रेशन हो जाता है. नंबर ही नहीं है.
It's one phrase that connects everything, right? That's what it is. Yeah, got it.
बोहेमिया. weed,
Direct,
music production,
straight for the bullseye.
Cypress Hill, West Coast, California, body parts. Body parts, Bohemian lifestyle, no. एक minute. Bohemia wears a skull cap. Cypress Hill का burial wears a skull cap. Body parts, Scully. Secret students, no fucking idea. Video game. Is there a video game?
वीडियो गेम क्या है?
Skull candy. नहीं.
Video game, where's the skull
candy? भाई कुछ तो हिंट दो यार, ये क्या सवाल है?
This is not meant
भाई
to be
मैं आपको
answered.
बता रहा हूँ मैं आपको.
हाँ.
I think that the hint that he gave about the first three, you should focus on the first three.
Yeah, please.
भाई शाहरुल गलत आदमी.
No, Rohan already said that. So
शाहरुल भाई, have you cracked this? आपको पता है आंसर?
I think so.
I think कल शाहरुल रोहन को लंच पे लेके गया था और ये
हाँ भाई देखो मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ, सीक्रेट सोसाइटी.
Skull and Bones.
भाई फाइनल आंसर.
एक मिनट. Body parts, skull, bones, Bohemia, skull, bones, Skull and Bones.
That is the right answer. Skulls and Bones is the right answer.
Insane.
Nice one यार. Nice connect. भाई बहुत सही, बहुत ही सही क्रैक. बहुत
भाई
सही.
रॉब कर लिया भाई, रॉब हो गया.
Sorry.
बहुत सही क्रैक.
Fucking crazy. एक मिनट, I need a break.
Okay, game on. 9. You have 9 for 2 after first 3 deliveries. You need 9 more.
भाई एक
9 more in the next
यार.
3 deliveries.
एक विकेट गिरा.
2 विकेट गिरे हैं.
Oh, damn.
आपने वो जेजी वाला और बियॉन्से का नहीं बताया था और वो
ओ यार.
ब्लैक फ्राइडे नहीं बता पाया था ना, विकेट गया.
4. नहीं.
4.
अब कितना स्कोर है मेरा? 9.
3.
Bro, 3 for 3.
9 for 2.
9
3
for
डिलीवरी. हाँ.
3.
3. Okay. This artist is great at a lot of things. He has professional boxing record of 100, amateur boxing record of 110.
Oh damn.
He has more than 14 million subscribers on YouTube. So essentially, YouTuber. And
Bro,
actually, he's a
Bro.
musician who's
Come
software.
on. Yeah,
Sophomore
Bhargav.
peaked at number
Yes.
1
अरे यार.
UK's album chart.
Come on.
अरे
Yes, Bharg. Yes.
oh my.
कितना मार्कर है ये?
But ये फिर एकदम
ये
How many?
यूथ वाला क्वेश्चन है, ये यूथ वाला है.
Logan
हाँ,
Paul.
बिल्कुल.
Logan Paul.
Yes.
By final answer,
हाँ.
Logan Paul is
No.
the wrong answer. KSI is the right answer.
Oh my god.
Yes,
Fuck.
Logan Paul
Such a
दोनों आ रहा है
huge-
technically.
Shit.
Such a
Oh,
huge fucking.
shit.
Oh my god.
Oh,
Bro,
no.
Logan Paul lost, bro. Logan Paul lost.
both.
Logan Paul lost. नहीं
No, but
एक draw हुआ था.
एक draw, one loss.
KSI.
The biggest hint was UK. Like
Yeah,
I
yeah.
UK
that
was
there.
Mm.
That
Number
was
one.
there,
No
yeah,
fucking
KSI.
clue about KSI. bro.
Shit,
अरे
man.
3 मार्कर है, 6 मार्कर है bro.
नहीं ये तो बहुत मतलब जनरली
Bro, ये तो
नया है ना
YouTube में मतलब एकदम फैल गया था, bro.
हाँ,
This was
मतलब
like
अभी
a-
तक
हाँ
अभी तक चल रहा है, मतलब वैसा ही है तो.
हाँ
KSI
और
just dropped a new album as well. ना?
Yeah.
Yeah,
हाँ
yeah.
वही sophomore album reached UK
Yeah.
chart में number 1. Okay,
Fucking crazy.
Yashraj
हाँ.
boils down to this.
Score
It's
के बाद
either
बात सुनना. बस चला
it's
दो.
either you or Sharul who's going to take this. You have to beat the
Yashraj,
score of
come on, bro.
80.
Good for the
मतलब
Chikna
on.
people.
Before I start,
Yashraj भाई बताओ.
before I start, I'd just like to say congratulations, Sharul. Let's continue.
Go for it. You know your shit. Come on, go for it.
Let's go, Yash.
Okay.
बताओ भाई.
एक 4 marker दे दो.
4 marker. Okay. X is a popular hip hop duo with loads of legacy behind their back. An interesting story suggests that why a member of X, जो कि एक hip hop duo है, tried to rob Z before they ended up becoming X.
Nah.
In 2006, they became the first ever American hip hop duo to perform in India. तो आपको duo का नाम बताना है और उनके 2 members का नाम बताना है.
In India,
किसने-
they performed in
किसने-
India.
Yeah.
I only know one.
Yes,
rapper
they
duo.
they are the first
American है ना?
Yeah.
First ever American hip hop duo to perform in India.
There's only
2006
one.
में.
I'm gonna guess it. उसके अलावा कुछ idea नहीं है. Either it's Earth Gang. Like Earth Gang is my answer because they're the only ones I think they've performed in India. So my answer is Earth Gang.
Is that your final answer?
Nah.
Oh wait, no. Okay.
Oh,
Is that your final answer?
He said it. He said it.
Wait a
Hey,
minute.
bro, Sharul, you can't like say na right before he's about to
Nah.
confirm,
My
bro.
bad.
That is
my
so
bad.
like.
That's how nice
And the
I am.
funny
I'm helping him, man.
and
I
the
don't
funniest
care.
thing is
I
Yashraj is
opened up-
trying to
I
beat
opened up-
Shah.
Boy,
Yeah.
should have done that with Rob also, or any of us.
But they're exchanging notes, bro. So of
Yeah.
course.
Man, wait. They tried to rob in 2006. Oh
What?
wait. Actually, when did they come to India? वो नहीं बताया क्या?
मैंने बताया ना 2006 यहाँ पे
2006,
बताया
bro.
Earth Gang.
Oh,
नहीं,
bro.
2006 में Earth Gang तो नहीं chance.
And मतलब hip hop duo with loads of legacy. ये
Bro, come on.
बड़ा hint.
Legacy.
Oh shit, man.
Sorry, Sharul. I'm really sorry, man. I'm guessing.
Bro,
Bro.
there is Papa Sharul and Chacha Robsy, and then there is all of us.
Yeah.
It's bad. It's
Say
the
it.
2006. Loads of legacy.
You know what's crazy? DJ Sa opened for them when they were here.
Oh.
Oh.
Yeah.
Sprinkle of Desi hip hop also. Now I'm more confused.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's not Earth Gang because I opened up for Earth Gang in NH7.
That's a flex.
it's not
That's a
that.
certified flex.
Oh.
Flex.
But yeah. With loads of legacy. I really wish I knew. I really wish I knew, but I'm completely blanking out. So yeah. Pass.
Hint, any guesses? Final guess, last guess कुछ है? Hip hop duo.
Yo. Nah, man, completely blank. I'm so sorry. So sorry, Shahrukh.
Okay, कोई नहीं. शाहरुख भाई. Any
It's the
ideas?
infamous mob. MOBV. Can't be.
Okay.
Come on.
That's the right
Wow.
answer. Yes, Mob Deep is the right answer. Any idea कि किसने किसको
Prodigy.
रॉक करने का
Papa Sharul, bhai.
Prodigy and Havoc, right?
Papa
That's the.
Havoc tried to rob Prodigy. and
Yeah.
then
Yeah.
they came.
Shout out Havoc.
Sharul should make like a rap song with like so much knowledge in it. It should be
Yeah.
called Encyclopedia.
History lesson for you,
Come
young
on.
Yeah. For all the upcoming people who want knowledge, listen to his songs.
चलो एक 6 दे दो मतलब जा रहे हैं तो ग्रैंड जा
6.
Let's go, bro.
Okay. Bridge Wars. Oh, bhai, this is a tough one. Bridge
Bhai,
Wars is one
yaar,
of the most
mere-
popular
Again.
rap- is one of the most popular rap beef in hip hop. ठीक है? It was a hard fought battle in the 80s between MC Shan and KRS-One primarily. उसके आसपास भी लोग थे, but primarily.
Yes.
However, nearly 10 years later, in 1996, Cold Chinning Records released an LP consisting of all the diss tracks of this beef called X. Okay? Side A consisted diss tracks by MC Shan, while side B contained diss tracks by KRS-One. What is the name of this LP?
और बाकी सबका कैसा चल रहा है घर पे सब बढ़िया है
Bro, मैं बता रहा हूँ रोहन का एड्रेस लेके उसको जोमेटो कर देता ना because that's what Shahrul is doing.
मतलब
Oh Lord.
Shahrul just said
Oh,
bro
God.
देख उम्र के हिसाब से.
okay, what was the LP called? कुछ हिंट है क्या कुछ भी hint देना मतलब ताकि मैं
ऐसा नहीं हुआ था bro.
वो जो स्पेलिंग भी प्रोनाउंसिएशन मांगते हैं ना बिना जाने में वैसा करूंगा कैन आई गेट द लैटिन ओरिजिन ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन मैन
कोई हिंट तो नहीं है.
कुछ भी नहीं है क्या
नहीं. Just
ओके व्हाट इज एलपी कॉल्ड वहां पे भर ईयरफोन हिला रहा है मैं सोच रहा हूँ वो हिंट है यहाँ पे
नहीं.
okay what is this LP called it's called 10 साल बाद निकाला ना it's called Petty Shit no I have no idea I'll pass.
Oh, bhai. That was a nice one. Any idea, Shahrul bhai, Rahul bhai?
I just know.
शाहरुख बोलो.
don't know.
One song. I know the song is Bridges Over, but I don't know which one it
समझ रहे हो रोहन, अगर शाहरुल को नहीं आया ना मतलब आपके क्वेश्चन गलत है. ये सिंपल बात आंसर कर लो. Pass.
Okay,
I have
the
no
answer
idea.
is battle for rap supremacy, KRS-One versus MC.
Okay.
Not a million.
ये जैसे कोलैब कंबाइंड एल्बम जैसा था,
KRS-One
गानों को कंबाइन किया
भाई.
रावल डक पे गया है ना.
I'm not even here, bro. I'm just a spirit at this point.
नहीं मैन, ठीक है, एक 1 रन दे दो फॉर द शगुन के नाम पे. अगर ये भी नहीं आया तो मैं दिल्ली आ रहा हूँ.
Hey.
Pusha T's story of Adidon.
Come on.
ये सोचना पड़ेगा, थोड़ी एक्टिंग करता हूँ मैं. Simple, break.
Drake is the right answer. 1 for 2.
Yes, thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
तीन बॉल में आपको 17 रन चाहिए कुछ.
Possible, very possible. Easily.
भाई 6 come on.
चलो 6 दे दो, एक 6 दे दो.
Okay.
Consolation तो ले लिया.
X is a prestigious title. In the year 1997, Y defeated Eminem to win X. ठीक है. However, it turned out well for Eminem because he managed to catch the eyeballs of an Interscope Records intern that later helped Eminem sign a deal with Dr. Dre's Aftermath record.
Okay.
आपको बताना है कौन सा वो prestigious title था और Eminem को हराया किसने था.
Title is the name of the competition, right?
Yes.
Okay, नहीं, फिर नहीं पता. रैप वॉर्स करके कुछ था, मैंने ये इसमें देखा है, द डिफाइंड. आई रिमेंबर डिफाइंड वंस के पूरे एक एपिसोड में he beat somebody and then he was handing out his tapes and somebody gave it to Dre. I know the
Yeah.
I don't know the name. Was it Rap Wars? I think Rap Wars.
Final answer, bhai. Final answer.
Bro.
Come on.
Take your time, man. Take your time.
Take your time, bro. Don't hurry. You'll get it.
Yeah.
Battle.
Just
Battle Wars, Rap Wars.
you got this.
ये जो टाइटल है उसके बाद 97 के बाद बंद हो गया था, शायद 2007 के बाद वापस स्टार्ट किया है.
Okay.
रिवाइव करेंगे.
नहीं यार 2007 के बाद तो KOTD शुरू हो गया था 2010-11 में.
नहीं, लेकिन पढ़ा तो था मैंने कहीं पे वापस स्टार्ट किया 2007 के बाद. आई डोंट थिंक इट्स स्टिल एक्टिव नाउ, बट
This tournament was so fucking aggressive back in the day.
Yeah, I've seen
No one
was
was
not.
talking about.
the entire.
Yeah.
मतलब आर्टिस्ट थप्पड़ मारने के उस पे आ गए थे bro.
हाँ.
In your face.
You're hurting my feelings, bro. Now I gotta slap you. I have no other.
Man
needs.
just summed up battle rap.
I need a,
काफी हुआ था bro. He said like
I need a release.
it was like a rematch thing. In like काफी कुछ
World rap wars, world rap series, battle wars, world
Rap battle.
Rap battle.
Rap battle. Rap battle.
bro.
Spit dope.
man.
Spit dope.
Shout out Spit
Spit
dope.
dope. Shout out Spit dope, man.
Wiggle.
What? That was the most random ad libs I got.
Bro, I will just
Oh, that's
give you.
a great ad lib, by the way.
Yeah.
Bro,
Wiggle,
look at
wiggle,
this.
wiggle.
Bhar, look, yeah. Train mein.
All right. Bro, listen.
Okay, let's go. Make this into a dumb charade.
I am
running, right? With an umbrella. You're running with an umbrella.
Oh my
You are
god.
broke. You're some
कम शरारत खेल रहा हूँ तेरे साथ भाई मैं.
भाई एक स्लो मोशन में कर दे. स्लो मोशन में कर.
Bro देख.
Okay, got it. Olympiad, rap Olympics. ऐसा कुछ है क्या? Smile दे दे बढ़िया.
रैप ओलंपिक
Olympiad. Oh,
the worst attempt at cheating ever.
भाई
स्माइल दे दे अगर सही है तो. The worst attempt.
मैं तेरे को तेरा जो मैंने उसको हैमर बताया था उसका तेरे को पे बैक दे रहा हूँ.
got it. Fair.
Get it going.
बताओ भाई, यशराज भाई,
मैं
आपको एनीवेज टाइटल का नाम भी बताना है और
हाँ,
जिस
वो तो मैं
बंदे ने
वैसे ही हार गया हूँ,
Eminem को
ये तो
beat
हम
किया।
एंजॉयमेंट के लिए कर रहे हैं लोगों बट
pretty much pretty much
शाहरुल की खुशी सुनो भाई.
शाहरुख
No, bro.
शाहरुख लाइक
I'm invested in
पनीर
this
टिक्का सही
question,
काम
dude.
कर गया.
मुझे लग रहा है
तंदूरी चाप, पनीर टिक्का, रोहन क्या क्या.
ओलंपिक्स तो सही गेस किया मैंने. आई थिंक रैप ओलंपिक्स है क्या? रैप ओलंपिक्स इज द नेम ऑफ द टाइटल.
सही है, टाइटल इज
और
राइट.
वो वाई बंदे का नाम है
कोई नहीं, अब तो रहने दो, अब तो छोड़.
yeah, it doesn't matter, I think.
आप
Shout out after match. But yeah, I think
Okay. With that, Yashraj bhai loses his last wicket and
dignity
ends his innings at 4.
Thank you so much.
Any guesses कौन है वो वाई बंदा?
Juice.
Sorry?
Juice and rap Olympics.
Juice defeated Eminem, right?
Other
Papa Dog, I don't know, man.
नहीं
otherwise
bro.
rapper
Juice
otherwise.
है. भाई जूस है
Rapper
यार.
otherwise.
बडवाइजर का
जब,
उसने acronym मारा था.
अगर ये
Eminem के against.
क्वेश्चन गलत हुआ तो एक ये हो जाता है, लाइफ इम्यूनिटी आ जाती है.
एक काम करो,
या गूगल कर दो.
आज हमारे पास क्वेश्चन की कोई कमी नहीं है, आप ले लो भाई अगर चाहिए तो.
नहीं
Bro, नहीं ब्रो,
Google
जूस है.
Okay, juice होगा. Okay, let's give
Okay.
another 6 months.
Let's go.
I thought it's.
Shahrul, I'm coming
Let's-
for you.
See
Bro.
how. Let's see how this turns out.
Wait. Rohan, wait.
Following
It ain't over till it's over.
Wait. Let him do it. Let him do it. But you know who gave him that Olympic thing? So
Yeah,
that's
that's-
straight
Shahrul,
up.
I am not emotionally connected. You have
Oh
won.
my God.
Congratulations.
I'm saying, no. Do all the questions. I'm cool with that. I'm
Okay,
just saying.
let's have like an open round, random open round.
No. Go for it.
Man,
Go for it, bro.
cool,
Okay.
man.
Continue.
Okay.
Continue.
This is the last question.
I think
Two
Shahrul,
round
I don't know
guys.
this one. I think Shahrul.
यार.
The following anecdote suggests how thinking less sometimes works out better. There was a huge confusion between which would be 50's first single from his popular album Get Rich or Die Trying. Okay, there were 2 songs in contention, X and Y. Eminem, 50, Paul Rosenberg, Jimmy, everyone in the same room, and all their votes made it more confusing because सबके
Random.
vote अलग-अलग जा रहे थे. So finally, they all decided to flip a coin, and X won and became the first single and still remains one of 50's biggest songs. जो एक
यार,
coin
six
flip
marker है, bro.
Tell me X and Y.
मार्कर है.
ये X and Y बताना है ना, X and Y.
ये तो easy है bro.
भाई
यार,
यार.
मेरे मोरल
Yeah,
की
sure.
मारी दो ना,
If you
गोली मार.
don't get this, bro.
भाई मैंने अगर
If you
दिया
don't get
जवाब
this-
तो मुझे
भाई no dumb
Bro,
charades for you now, bro. You
if
gotta guess
you-
this one, bro.
Okay.
If
Can
you
we
don't
just
get this-
okay? I know. Shout out to Rohan's editor. ये last part काट देना. Episode वहाँ खत्म हो गया जहाँ शाहरुल जीत गया. ये तो गोली मार दी
Oh,
मतलब
God.
मेरे बची हुई self-respect.
Oh man.
Oh man.
Yeah, I'm a big 50 fan, but yeah, I'm.
भाई come on.
Raval
If
bhai,
you're
do
a
you
big
know?
50 fan, you should know
Does
this.
Raval know? Does Raval and Bharg know?
I mean, I think I do.
Yeah,
I think
Yeah,
I do.
even I think
Let's
I
get the
do. Like,
boys.
yeah.
Yeah.
आजा रावल बताओ भाई.
Literally
बताए तो
pick
मैं
up
दूसरी
है.
बार करूँ क्या?
कर दे भाई. It's all yours. The floor is all.
अरे
yours.
नहीं एक मिनट, यशराज भाई आप हार मानते हो?
नहीं भाईचारा है भाई.
You want
नहीं
to get-
करना है ये competitive नहीं है. सब भाई है यहाँ.
Are you
बता दे.
Rob C?
दे देंगे.
बता दो भाई.
Go sure.
कौन flip करे कौन बताएगा?
But they-
It's a 50-50 chance.
Wangster in the club, right?
In the
Wangster
club
in
लग
the
रहा है
club.
मेरे को तो. In the club लग रहा
There's the 2 songs, right? Wangster and in the
Yes,
club.
they are 2.
In the club, I know.
in the
Second one,
club.
I have no idea.
Should be in the club.
Second one is
Wangster तो
Wangster.
उसके
Wangster is not one of his biggest hits though. He has like
Wangster
more
तो
hits.
यार
I'm saying
Eight Mile
X is
Motion
in the
उसका
club,
soundtrack पे था.
but the
X-
second song
X-
was Wangster.
भाई क्या
Okay,
interesting
yeah.
panel है bro.
No,
मजा आ
that
गया.
ये तो
नहीं
नहीं पता.
नहीं.
Big song is in the club. I'm saying the
Why
other
अभी
one.
तक Y का right answer नहीं मिला. रॉब
Why
भाई
is Wangster?
in the club is right.
The club
In
is
the
X
club
is
is
right.
In the club,
And
that
yes.
is the extent of my
मतलब ये
knowledge.
तो मतलब ये
And why
दोनों
is-
के बताओ ना.
Either it's patiently waiting or if I can't.
Yes,
Yeah,
if I
probably
can't is the
If I
right
Can
answer.
or
If I
Wangster.
can't is
If I
the right
Can.
answer.
Yes, sir.
Bro,
United
can't beat
यार
them.
अपने को यार रोहन ऐसे क्वेश्चन
यशराज भाई एक बात बता दो,
50
लास्ट
cent.
वाला जब आप आंसर कर रहे थे तो आपको उसमें 3 मिला था, तो आप उसी में रहना चाहोगे लास्ट वाले में?
अच्छा मेरी बाकी है विकेट?
नहीं विकेट नहीं बाकी, मैं बस पूछ रहा हूँ इससे पहले वाला रैप ओलंपिक का जो आंसर था उसमें आपको 3 मार्क्स मिलके विकेट गए थे, इसमें आपको 0 मार्क्स मिलके विकेट गए।
राइट, तो मैं तो वही बोल रहा हूँ, कट जाएगा एपिसोड में।
No, no, no.
Not a scene at all.
Thank you for coming.
भाई अगर एडिटर इतना एडिट कर रहा है तो you can edit my whole part, bro.
Good. Thank you for your thank you for bringing us on the panel and
Yeah.
uplifting
Yes, sir, bye.
Shahrul.
I'm
Moral.
going. Bye, bro. See you all.
सब ऐसे निकल रहे हैं, सब ऐसे नहीं खेलना यार। This shit.
Bye, guys.
उस टाइम क्वेश्चन कितनी कमी पड़ी थी, आज हमारे पास एक पूरा स्लाइड पड़ा हुआ है।
Questions है।
चलिए
Papa Doc, Papa Shahrul.
Okay. With that, I think this tournament comes to an end with our deserving winner, Shahrul, with a
Shahrul.
17 run
Yeah, bro.
performance in such a
Congratulations.
difficult pitch.
Congratulations, Shahrul. You deserve every bit of this.
एकदम रोहित शर्मा वाली performance
Yes,
with Rob C.
Yo, unlucky.
Scoring
Yo,
9 place second.
I think we all took L's like throughout the tournament. Like just we all fucked up on small
So sweet
questions
of you.
wherever.
So sweet of you, Shahrul.
Nah, no, for real. It's not even like that. The first episode I
It
fucked
says-
up, right? Like
It's his winner's
Straight up.
speech.
Yeah. Winners.
Yes.
Definitely. Yeah.
Yeah.
के बाद शाहरुख
मेरा-
पढ़ के आया वो।
मेरा और रावण और भर का एक पॉडकास्ट हो गया इसके बाद अलग से। As the extreme losers of this tournament.
No, but it was fun. This was a lot of fun. Like I really enjoyed
Yeah,
all
this
that.
was
It
just
a lot
so
of fun.
much fun, bro.
थोड़ा बैड बाबी KSI टाइप क्वेश्चंस आते तो जिंदगी
हाँ,
थोड़ी अच्छी
थोड़ा
रहती।
यूथ आता तो
मजे आ गए भाई मेरे को तो।
थोड़ा और मतलब
The irony is रॉब भाई को ओल्ड स्कूल चाहिए थे तो उनको न्यू स्कूल से सवाल मिले,
I
राहुल
know,
भाई
I know.
को न्यू स्कूल चाहिए थे तो उनको ओल्ड स्कूल सवाल
It was some
मिले।
1940s.
That's how this game is, बहुत ही random। क्या
Yes, sir.
But Shahrul should all know.
Major shout out to Rohan. इतनी research, इतने
Fuck yeah, bro.
किया. All out.
Fuck yeah, bro. And you
Yeah,
and your
bro.
team,
Yeah.
इतनी
bro.
मेहनत।
Big up, big up.
Insane.
Great initiative
Fucking
and thank
big
you
up,
for having
bro.
us. This was really, really
Same, same.
shout out. Shout
Thank
out.
Yeah, bro.
Big
It
up,
was,
big
it was,
up.
it was
Sometimes I'm just
so-
like, bro, कितना पढ़ना पड़ता होगा, bro, ये सब जानने के लिए, like,
कसम.
क्यों?
Crazy.
Bro, that's dedication, bro, for real.
Dedication, bro. Like shout out, bro. Shout
For
out.
real.
Thanks भाई, thank you,
Yes,
thank you
sir.
so much. I'm glad you enjoyed it. मेरे को भी बहुत मजा आया and I hope you guys watching us at home, आप YouTube पे जो अभी देख रहे हैं, live पे जो भी देख रहे हैं, आपको बहुत पसंद आया होगा. And on that note, we are ending this very special series, Hip Hop Premier League. Shahrul as a winner, Rob C as a runner-up, and Bharg as the second runner-up. And thank you all for joining us. It was
Cash
great.
outside, how about
Big up.
Thank you guys.
I'm
Take
just
care,
saying,
guys.
Shahrul watching front row Shahrul. I predicted that. I'm just saying, that's just goated.
We need Shahrul courses, bro.
Yeah.
Introduction to hip hop.
Yeah. We need Shahrul courses.
How to hip hop.
Yeah.
Yes, Rob C.
इसे कहते हैं hip hop.
Oh god.
नहीं,
भाई मैं जा रहा हूँ, बहुत हो गए. Bye, bye, bye.
चलो guys,
God.
see you guys.
Take care, guys.
See you guys.
Thank you.
Bye-bye,
man.
good night.
See you.
See you.
Bye bye guys.
Must
See you.
love.
See you.
Bye.
Hey guys, क्या हाल है? I hope you enjoyed this series. But before we part ways from this beautiful series जो हमने create करी, 7 episodes का सफर था, 2-3 महीने तक I think ये series चल गई. I personally loved it. I really first would like to thank all the artists who were part of this एक quiz format के लिए. That is, I think this is the first hip hop based quiz जो इंडिया में हो रहा है एटलीस्ट. उसके लिए हाँ बोलना is kind of risky because you never know कि आपके पास कौन सा question आ जाएगा. And then if you're not able to answer your questions, there is always a risk of looking bad in front of people. Although quiz is not about flexing, it's just about fun. It was about fun from the word go. So thank you to all the artists who were part of this series. There were 16 artists. बहुत सारे artists थे जो मतलब part बनते रह गए because they had some other commitments. But a huge shout out to everyone who was part of this. Huge shout out to front row की team, Akshat, the editors, the people who worked on the intro, Niladri Bose, उनको तो आप जानते होंगे जिन्होंने voice over किया. So yes, apart from that, thank you to all you viewers. I honestly was not sure कि इसको response receive कैसे किया जाएगा because My channel revolves around desi hip hop ka content, and this is far away from desi hip hop. This is a Western hip hop, and Western hip hop maybe doesn't necessarily revolve around Kendrick Cole, Eminem. That is the majority of Indian hip hop audience. This was very niche. This was very hardcore hip hop based content. बिल्कुल मसाला नहीं था इसमें. I didn't know how it's going to be perceived, but it was perceived really well. It was taken really well. I'm really grateful कि आप लोगों को, जिन लोगों ने ये सीरीज देखी, आप लोगों को पसंद आया. And if this series compelled you to learn more about hip hop, if this series or any episode compelled you to go on Google and type about an incident or about an artist or about a song जिसके बारे में question था, I think we have succeeded. I personally loved it, and with this video I think we have completed 2 years of this channel. 2 years से मेरा मतलब है जो हमने पहली breakdown डाली थी उससे आज तक 2 years complete हो चुके हैं. And what a way to celebrate 2 years by ending this series. So a huge shout out to all of them. कुछ scripted नहीं था. I just wanted to thank you all from the bottom of my heart. This has been a really daunting, a really tough series to pull off, and your support was needed for us to move along. बहुत मज़ा आया. There was obviously a lot of unity that we saw. हमारे दिमाग में हमेशा दिल्ली versus मुंबई रहता है. This was not the case here though. Right, the Delhi Mumbai artists were really having fun, helping each other get their answers right. It was all fun. I hope hip hop remains like this. We all love a bit of beef, this here and there, but the crux of hip hop, the core of hip hop, has to be unity, peace, and love. So with that, it's Rohan Karyapa signing off. See you. Bye.
You are watching the Hip Hop, the Hip Hop Premier League.